It's Hayim show off. Life, a gift we all cherished having and took for granted, not knowing that time is almost always against us. So let's use the time we have and live for today, cause we are not promised tomorrow's adventure. That's life and time, they always go together, hand in hand. The property in the world, and I was born to the world. Parents happy, family the smile. Tired time of Rayuwa learning how to walk. Upon my touch shop, time to Babylon to talk. Then I was in nursery, Lokaci we only having fun. By my life, you bought the primary we go. I will give my all to only go back to that sweet time. Rayuwa the Lokaci. Happy long life you wanna live. Life and time passing by. Never wanna see us growing old. But we have to take the truth and hold. Lokaci ne zai kare. Ban san girma, ban san tufa. A rayuwa da lokaci. The baby now ya tasa. Gagara wasan kasa an ce min aike. Ni ban san zuwa, so nake kawai na je na chillin' in the club. Prime age is what we call it, but I gotta grow. They facing real life. All that matters now to me is who I love the most. Iyaye na nake nufi, I'll make up for your loss. Zan zo da lokaci, na zauna da ku, na har abada. Though the life is so sweet, yet the time is too short. So let me just live for what I can. Now my daddy too, Adani ne ake kwaba, yanzu ni ne ke kwaba. Rayuwa da lokaci kenan batu nake faɗa, cause in a short time I ni ma zan mutu. Yeah, I'll be gone. Rayuwa da lokaci, happy long life you wanna live. Life passing by, never wanna see us growing old. But we have to take the truth and hold. Lokaci ne zai kare. Ban san girma, ban san tufa. A rayuwa da lokaci. Kuka da lokacin shi, dariya da lokacin ta, kai ma da lokacin ka, nema da lokacin a better way. Kakai sauri, it will come. It would come, it would come. Lokaci ne zai kare. Ban san girma, ban san tufa. A rayuwa da lokaci.